Michele Bachmann, she's mad, and she's not going to take it anymore, Mr. President. That's right, the Minnesota Congresswoman, along with other Republicans in the House, are going to sue, allegedly, the president for allowing plans that were canceled under the Affordable Care Act to be extended through 2014. She argues that President Obama should have consulted Congress rather than try to fix the glitch through administrative action. Now, Zach, this is an interesting point because the administrative fixes that President Obama proposed seem to me to be preposterous. They can't really happen, right, given the way markets work, at least insurance markets work. But are they actually unconstitutional actions that the White House has taken?
I think the idea that they're unconstitutional is completely ridiculous. For decades, for maybe even centuries, there has been the authority for the executive branch to interpret legislation passed by Congress and implement it appropriately. The Affordable Care Act has a lot of wiggle room for the administration to say, okay, well, if this isn't working, if this is not functioning appropriately, we can take sort of other actions, which is exactly what the administration did. And I think to the extent
extending canceled policies through 2014, you think is within the scope and purview, I won't say legislative purview, but administrative purview of the executive branch?
I think based on the way the Supreme Court has interpreted the administrative authority for executive branch agencies over the last 30 years, I think it absolutely is. I don't think it's even very, very close. Typically, administrations get a lot of leeway with the court system. And if I'm wrong, I mean, you could figure this out by launching a long and expensive court battle, which Michele Bachmann has sort of thought about doing, but then sort of walked back after realizing that maybe there wouldn't be such a good court case there. The administration under TARP, the way it implemented the Troubled Asset Relief Program, did all sorts of things with the money that weren't explicitly authorized by Congress, but seemed to be within the general idea of the law. And a lot of people were angry about that, but we didn't really see any serious court challenges on that because historically the courts tend to side with the administration on these things.